So alongside the Pixel 9 series, Google has just unveiled the Pixel Buds Pro 2, the successor to their popular wireless earbuds, and they're hoping to build upon the original success. This new model promises significant improvements in design, comfort, and hopefully audio quality, but what are they like? Well, let's find out with some super quick hands-on impressions. If you want to learn more about all things Pixel 9, Pixel Watch, Pixel Buds Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, then definitely hit subscribe to join our growing community and get the lowdown on all of things made by Google. Real legends, hit that join button and gain membership to an exclusive group that gets all kinds of benefits, including freebies, digital assets, and all for a low, flat monthly fee. So one of the standout features of the Pixel Buds Pro 2 is their redesigned earbud shape. Google claims to have analysed 45 million ear scans to create a smaller, more comfortable fit. The earbuds are now supposedly 27% smaller and 24% lighter than their predecessor at 4.7 versus 6.2 grams. And that sounds like it's not going to be much difference, but it should make them less likely to fall out during workouts and everyday wear, and also reduce fatigue when you have them in your ear canals. The eggshell case also comes in at around 65 grams this time around, with each earbud IP54 water and dust resistance rated, while the case itself is IPX4 rated this time around. And it's still a familiar shape. I love this design. I think it's really good that Google has continued with this somewhat iconic eggshell type shape. So as for the earbuds themselves, the new twist to adjust stabilizer, I think is a really clever addition, allowing you to customize the fit for different activities. The simple twist locks the earbuds in place for intensive workouts, while loosening the grip ensures all-day comfort, and it's really similar to the original Galaxy Buds, which you may remember had a screw-in fin that helped them stay securely in your ears. So Google says that they've completely overhauled the audio system for the Pixel Buds Pro 2, and it now features a custom-designed 11mm driver in each of these and the powerful Tensor A1 chip. Supposedly these earbuds will deliver immersive sound and even faster processing courtesy of the Tensor chip inside. The downside here is that we didn't actually get to test the audio in our brief hands-on time, sadly, so we cannot give you a full review of the audio quality. For me, that's probably the only thing I actually care about this year. My opinion has actually soured on the original Pixel Buds Pro over the past couple of years. I think for anything but music, they're absolutely fine, but they just do not sound good with most musical genres. If Google can fix this, I think the actual package might be a better package in general this time around. One other highlight is the improved noise cancellation. Thanks to the Silent Seal 2.0 technology and some advanced algorithms powering this, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 are supposedly able to boast twice the noise cancellation of the original model. Again, we will be putting that to the test when we get these earbuds on hand and properly in our ears in the coming weeks. Other touted audio enhancements include improved pixel clear calling for better call quality, multipath processing for pure sound, and support for Bluetooth 5.4 with LE audio and super wideband connectivity. All of the standard touch and swipe controls are returning, which is a really good note because I think they were some of the best in the industry. The only new functionality or notable functionality being added is the ability to access Gemini Live, but I think the most notable one of this is the Find My Device integration with a speaker on the bottom of the case which will beep when you locate the buds via the app. I do think this is really good for helping find your buds or find the case itself if you do happen to misplace them. The battery of these buds is rated at 12 hours of listening time per earbud with ANC deactivated, 8 hours while it's activated, which I think is very impressive, and supposedly 5 minutes of charging is said to deliver up to 1.5 hours of listening with ANC deactivated. Google didn't provide us with any information on what it would be with ANC activated. And it's undoubtedly tough to give an opinion on a product that you haven't had the opportunity to actually listen to, especially as this is an audio product after all, but we're hopeful Google can improve upon the previous generation, and they're definitely set out the stall to try and do so. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 will be available in porcelain, hazel, wintergreen and peony to match the Pixel 9 series. They are going on sale at $229, but will be available a little bit later than the Pixel 9 series, but it is worth noting pre-orders are open now for these earbuds. I want to ask you what you think of them. I know they're not quite as flashy as the new smartphone devices, but I'm actually cautiously optimistic for some big improvements, because I do think that while the software stack on the original Pixel Buds Pro was very, very good, the audio experience did let those particular buds down. Let me know what you think of this new version down in the comment sections below, and actually leave any questions you might have. I'll try and answer them when we do a full review of these later down the line. Thanks to our channel members on screen now, but until next time, it's bye from me, and I will speak to you later.